Hello guys, if you have problems with your Charles Proxy and you can see pass, so I found another solution of this problem. First of all, you have to open your PC, click Properties, Advanced System, Environment Variables. Here is on the top we have to create a new path. So follow my instruction, HTTP proxy. Then over there you have to provide your proxy. If you don't know how to do it, just only go to the command line, write IP config. One more time, IP config. Yeah, and over there you can see your IP address. So it's here, in my case here. Just Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then you have to type next information, double point 8888. It's for everybody. Click OK, 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 and after that just only restart your computer and open again your Charles Proxy Android Studio, and I hope it will help you.